Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's episode, I had told in the previous video that we'll be going ahead and unboxing a Frontech LED monitor, which you can use for your PC, your personal computer, or your desktop. And I'll be even testing it out in the same video. So let's start. Okay, the first part we'll be going ahead and unboxing this. That's the Frontech 18.5 inches monitor. Its display ratio is 16:9. It has an HDMI and VGA port. So let's go ahead and unbox this and check the other features also. So first we will just go ahead and open this up. So that's done. Now you might not be able to see this because I have to do it carefully. Just give a minute. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and take out whatever is there inside this. First comes out the HDMI cable, which is given free of cost along with it. Then comes the monitor itself, which we are taking out. And below the monitor, you'll be able to see that there's a VGA cable given over here. Oh, sorry, this is the power cord which is given over here. And I think so. And there's a manual. There's the stand over which you can keep the monitor. So this stand will be going like this over this. Over here you can go ahead and fix the monitor. And that's all. I don't think they are given a VGA cable along with it. So let's keep everything aside first. We don't require this box anymore. So this is the monitor over here. It has a thermocol for its protection. So we'll slowly slide it down so that we don't damage the monitor. Okay, so that's been taken care of. So this is the monitor over here. If you can see here, this side is the glass side. So this monitor is behind. You can see the ports over here. That's the VGA port you have over here. You have the HDMI next to that. And you have all the buttons over here, like power button, on button, off button, and all the buttons over here. Small buttons, you'll be able to see that. And I think that's about it. Nothing more than that. And over here you have the cooling system also over here. And you have a place where you can go ahead and fix your cables over here. That's the power cable and HDMI cable. So let me go ahead and fix everything over there, and I'll also fix the below stand of this, and I'll just get back to you. Okay guys, I've just switched on the power over here. If you can see here, I've connected the HDMI and the power cables to my CPU, and it's working fine. I'll just try to turn the monitor also a little bit for you, so you'll be able to see that it's lighting well over here. So it's all lit and it's in a good color with my computer screen over here. So the monitor is testing also as fast, because I didn't even unbox it till now. So I'm more than happy to go ahead and do it in front of you. And I'll be setting this up in some time with my keyboard and every other accessory whichever I want, and download the drivers also which I require, because just yesterday I got the CPU also for this. And this monitor front tech costed me about actually the market rate is about 5,500, but if you go to the local marketplace, you can get it for 4,900, 4,800 bucks easily. In Amazon, it comes for 5,500 to 5,650 plus delivery charges. So if you want to just save up some money and you want to buy it immediately, you can just go to a local electronic shop where you'll be able to buy it easily without any problem. And I hope this helped you out in case you are working from home. So I hope this video helped you out in choosing a monitor for you. And if you want to go ahead and choose a keyboard or a mouse, you can see my previous video, for which I'll be leaving the link above, or in the end screen. You can go ahead and check, or you can check the all videos of various unboxing videos over here. And I hope this video helped you in getting a right monitor for yourself. And this also has 1 year of warranty which you can claim. And over that also, this is a LED monitor and power saving monitor for you, which you can go for, and it's coming at a less price also. And I hope this helped you out, so please give a thumbs up so that it helps the channel, and do subscribe for future videos. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.